Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got home from work and my Ipsy bag is here. So I hadn't planned on filming today. My hair is a little crazy, my makeup's a little melty. It's the end of the work day, but the bags always come so late in the month that I wanted to film this right away so I can get it out as soon as possible. So the bag this month is this. It's sort of a light yellow. It's got like a coral back and it looks like passport stamps sort of all over it. It's a little bit different shaped than previous Ipsy bags I've gotten. Usually they're more rectangular, so I think this is the first sort of round shaped one that I've gotten. So the little card says go there. So I think this is probably like a travel themed bag. Yeah, pretty much. So I'm not going to read the card. As always, it would take too long. I always try to keep these videos sort of short and sweet. I did sort of do the sneak peek on my phone with the app to see what was coming in the bag, and there wasn't really anything to really try on for you guys this time, other than one eyeshadow. So I'm just going to show you what I got, and that'll be that this time. I seem to be getting less and less makeup per se, and more sort of like masks and skincare and like lotions and things like that. I did try changing some of the settings on my Ipsy account, so we'll see next month what I get, and if I'm still finding it's a little bit underwhelming, I will maybe switch over to BoxyCharm. I was looking into BoxyCharm today, and it looks like maybe they have a little more makeup, which of course is what I'm into. So some of the samples are always so small. I'm like, oh, look at this little box. So this is the Nutrient Boost Eye Serum, organic and non-toxic. So this is by Akar. I hate when I can't say the names because just makes me sound stupid, but it's not a brand I've heard of before. Look at the little baby sample, so cute. So this is an eye serum, so I'm excited to try that because I actually just ran out of eye cream, so this is coming at a good time. I just wanted to test like a little dot on my hand just to see how oily it is. Oh, it's nice and light. So I've actually never used like an eye oil. I've only ever used eye creams. Being an oily skin type, I'm always a little hesitant to use anything oil-based on my skin just because I feel like I'm already so oily, but I'm always willing to try something new, and if I do find it a little heavy, I can always use it at nighttime when I'm not layering makeup over top. So the next thing, now this I found a little unusual. I had to actually open the app. This is called Dr. Lipp Original Nipple Balm. Yes, you heard me correctly. So I thought that a little strange to put in an Ipsy bag because it's not necessarily like a universally useful thing. However, I'm just on the Ipsy app, so you can actually look into what the product is, who makes it, and all that sort of stuff. So it says right on here, it's a beauty staple hailed by makeup artists worldwide, but it's easy enough for literally anyone to use. Talk about bang for your buck. This seriously beloved balm has almost too many uses to count. So you can use it as a lip gloss, a highlight, like a dewy highlight, diaper cream, mustache sculpting wax. It has all kinds of good uses, and it's 100% natural and cruelty-free, which I love. So I've actually really been needing just a really good, as I almost threw it across the room because I'm talking with my hands, I need a really good lip balm. I've been trying to stay away from any lip balms that have like waxes in them because I just find I keep having to use them over and over and over and over. Like, it really doesn't hydrate the way I want it to. So I've been trying to use balms that don't have the wax in them, or more oil-based products on the lips. I just find my lips are in better condition doing that, and that was something that I sort of got into with the Lip Sense, which I'm actually not selling anymore. If you'd like more info on that, comment below. I did learn that though from the Lip Sense line, that the waxy products are not particularly good for our skin, which I really didn't know, because you think like Burt's Bees, you know, all these great like natural products that are supposed to be really good for your lips, really over time they keep your lips from naturally shedding a layer. So long term they're not really doing any favors. So long story short, I just rambled about nothing for a second. I've been trying to stay away from the waxy products, so I'm excited to give this a try as a lip balm. I'm going to put it on my nightstand and use it as like my nighttime lip balm. I like to put something really heavy on my lips before I put my mouth guard in at nighttime. So I'm going to give that a whirl. I'll let you know how that works out, because if it's as good as they're saying in the app, then maybe I'll order a full size. I've yet to like order a full size of anything I've gotten in an Ipsy bag. Not that I've been unhappy, but just there's nothing that I've gotten that I'm like, oh, I have to have the full size. So the next thing, I feel I'm really rambling. This is what I'm like after work, you guys. Okay, so the next thing I got is from Trestique, and it says Mini Matte Blur Stick. So for a second I was like, did the cap come off? Where's the cap? No, that's the cap. So this is a mattifying, blurring primer and shine eraser. So you're supposed to be able to use this under your makeup as a primer or over your makeup to remove shine. Well, how shiny am I? I did powder a little bit before I start this video. Let's just see. I'm trying to look in the screen to see if I can see a difference on my oily places. What do you guys think? Did it do anything? I'll have to try it. I actually think it did. But I'll have to try it when I'm really oily and also as a primer, particularly on my oilier spots, to see what we really think of that. Oh, okay, for a second I was like, don't I usually get 5 things in my bag? But they do this quite often. If there's like a brush or something, it's in the bottom. So I did get another makeup brush. So this is from SLMISSGLAM. So I've gotten brushes from them before, and they are good brushes. And they are, I can't get it open. I feel like this is every Ipsy video. It's just me trying to open things. They are the synthetic bristles, which I like because they're cruelty-free. So this is Eyeshadow Brush N15. So it's just a basic eyeshadow brush. I'm going to sneeze. So it's just a basic eyeshadow brush. This is the N15. But you can never have too many like basic eyeshadow brushes. I am like notorious for not washing my brushes as often as I should. Basically what I'll do is I'll take like the grossest ones or like the ones that I use with like cream products, like my foundation brush, and I'll wash those, but I won't wash my eyeshadow brushes because sometimes they take a bit to dry, and then like if I wash them after work, then by the next morning they're not always dry. So it's nice to have extras. Because in theory, I could wash my brushes more often if I had more extras. So we'll see how that goes. But I'll add this to my collection. I like it. It seems like a nice brush. It's really soft. I like the colors. That's always fun. And then the last thing is by Nomad Cosmetics. And this is their Intense Eyeshadow. So let's open it up and see what color I got. When you check in the apps, there's always like, you're either going to get this color or that color, but you don't actually know until you get your order. Oh my gosh, it's like the tiniest compact that you've ever seen. How cute is that? Okay, so I got the bronze color. The other color that they had that I saw on the app was like a teal color, which I was kind of hoping I would get. I seem to get with the Ipsy bags, I get brown eyeshadows. This I think is my second or third brown eyeshadow. I don't think I've got a colored eyeshadow yet. Which is fine, but I mean, how many brown eyeshadows do you need? So hopefully this is really beautiful and blows my socks off. So let's swatch it. Oh, that is pigmented. Holy smokes. So scratch that last statement. I'm excited to try that. Look how reflective that is too. It's like a really beautiful metallic bronze. So I'll give that a whirl. It looks like it's going to be a really good one. Going into summer, I do normally wear more like bronze and brown colors on the lids because I usually do, if I want to do a brighter lip, that's usually what goes the best. So I'm excited to give that a try. So that's it. That's it for the, as I throw the package across the room like I thought I was being discreet. That's it for the Ipsy bag this month. Again, I'm excited to try the eyeshadow. I'm a little underwhelmed at the color, so I'm just kind of waiting to see what's in next month's bag now that I've changed my settings on my Ipsy account. So we'll see if I start getting some more exciting items. If not, then I may not do the full year with Ipsy. I may cancel my subscription and move on to maybe BoxyCharm or something like that. I also think the FabFitFun boxes are cool, so if you guys would want to see one over the other, let me know in the comments below. That would be great. I always like help deciding. I'm terrible at making decisions, so if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!